In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn TradingView alerts into automated trading using TradingView's automated trading strategies. To begin, let's make our way over to the TradingView live chart. This is your workspace where all the magic happens, where data meets action. Find your preferred chart to start with, and let's get our hands into crafting a trading strategy that suits your objectives. Now, once you're in your chart, it's time to set up your trading strategy. Look for the indicator option, typically found at the top of your chart interface. Click on this and a list of indicators will appear. Indicators are crucial because they help analyze market trends and identify trading opportunities. For this walkthrough, we're opting to use the AutoFib retracement indicator. It's a powerful tool for predicting potential support and resistance levels by using horizontal lines to represent these levels. With your indicator in place, navigate over to the alert option. This is an integral step because alerts empower you to stay informed and react swiftly to market changes. By setting up alerts, you're telling TradingView to keep an eye on certain market conditions and notify you when these occur. Click on the Alert tab and a prompt will appear guiding you through the alert setup process. What comes next is the alert creation. Hit Create to initiate a new alert. At this point, a window will pop up prompting you to specify the conditions of your alert. Fill in the required fields based on the parameters you've defined with your trading strategy and indicators. Ensure your alert settings align with your strategic objectives. For instance, choose the specific crossing points, trend lines, or other metrics you're focusing on, and set the alert to trigger when these criteria are met. Once every detail is input correctly, double-check your configurations to avoid any hiccups down the line. The precision with which you set up these alerts determines how effectively they serve you. Now, with everything set, you can relax knowing that TradingView will keep you posted on your trading strategy. To wrap things up, remember to remain vigilant and update settings as necessary. While automated alerts provide a robust safety net, staying engaged with your trading strategy is crucial for ongoing success. Integrated alerts should serve as an extension of your trading acumen, allowing you to make informed decisions without constantly monitoring the charts. As you become increasingly familiar with these setups, you'll intuitively begin to optimize alerts, enhancing response times and trading prowess. Thank you for joining me in this guide on turning TradingView alerts into automated trading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful strategies to elevate your trading journey. Until next time, happy trading.